This one's going to be quick and easy. I thought we could combine some of these little flag banners from the Dollar Tree with some of their little block stars. I wanted to do like a star and a stripe star. They sell these at the like home design stores, and they're like ridiculously expensive and so easy to make. So these are fabric, actually, these little pennants from the Dollar Tree. So I just turn them over, just draw on the back of them with a marker so I'll know how big to cut these out. This is going to be so easy. We're just going to cover one of those little chunky wood stars from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree with the star fabric and one with the striped fabric. And they would be cute just sitting anywhere. It's just going to give you a little dose of patriotic stars. Now, the designs are kind of big, so you're not going to get a lot of stripes or a lot of stars on there. But I think it turned out really cute. And I kind of did the stripes on this one at an angle just for fun. And now all we have to do is attach those to our little wood blocks. You don't have to cover up the hole or anything because the fabric is going to cover that up. And I just secured mine with hot glue. The fabric was rather thick. You could use Mod Podge if you wanted to. This is a failed. I tried to do some sublimation on that one, so I might as well cover that up with some fabric. And that turned out super cute. I think it was really easy. Now, on the sides, you could like paint them blue and red, or just leave them natural like that. I think I'm going to leave them natural. I did want to rough mine up a little bit though, so I did take a little bit of sandpaper block and I just went around the edges and kind of roughed up the fabric. I kind of wanted it to look old and frayed, and I think it gave it just a little bit more character, and this is how they turned out. Our little stars and stripe stars. I've tried to make these several ways. I think I like the texture of the fabric one. It turned out really cute. And I don't really mind like the kind of frayed look. It goes with my coastal vibe in my house.